Dr. Vivukta, cardiology, Delhi Apollo Hospital से today is 8th of July. We are on Facebook Live. So we are cardiologists, and I'm standing with the surgeon, colleague of ours, Mrs. Dr. Sanjay. What we are talking today is actually about AICD, automatic implantable cardiac defibrillator, which is a small device like pacemaker, which is unfortunately most underutilized device in the healthcare system. This is actually for the prevention of sudden cardiac death, and it is required in all patients who have got a low ejection fraction, less than 35% as per the criteria. And because these patients are on high risk of sudden cardiac arrest because of ventricular arrhythmias and death, which leads to death. Because these ventricular arrhythmias do not tell you. They can come without any chest pain. They can come without any dyspnea. You are sitting, taking tea and cup of coffee, and you can have sudden ventricular arrhythmias. And if not treated, which is not possible to treat because it requires DC shock. So DC shock is not possible everywhere, and patient is taking a cinema in the hall. And so we have finished the procedure within almost 35 minutes. This is a device which is done like a pacemaker, and it is a lead which goes inside the ventricle, right ventricle. When we are using dual chamber, then the lead will go into right atrium. Dual chamber AICD is required when you have also requirement of the pacing system. Mr. Bhavan is here, and इसको हमने अभी लगाया है. मैं डिवाइस दिखाना चाहता हूँ कि इट्स ऑलरेडी डन. Patient is done in the local anesthesia normally. If the patient is quite irritable, then we can give a small sleeping dose. इसको डिवाइस को ऑटोमेटिक इम्प्लांटेबल कार्डियक डिफिब्रिलेटर कहते हैं. इसको इस्तेमाल मैं ये फेसबुक लाइव इसलिए कर रहा हूँ कि ऑल द फिजिशियंस, ऑल द यंग डॉक्टर्स शुड नो एंड दे शुड एडवाइज द पेशेंट हु हैव गॉट अ लो ejection fraction to take this device so that they can be at least prevented from sudden death. Thank you very much, Dr. Vivukta from Apollo, on 8th of July, along with Dr. Sanjay, who done the stitching of this patient.